Learn how to generate a SSH public key to automatically log into your Linux VM with the Cloud Shell in this edition of Azure Tips and Tricks. Instead of always needing to supply a password whenever I log into my Ubuntu VM, I just want to be able to SSH into it and be able to be logged in automatically. I'm going to use the SSH keygen command, and I'm going to generate an RSA public-private pair that I can use. I'll accept the defaults. And what I should see now is if I cd into the .ssh folder, I should see two files, one named id_rsa and one named id_rsa pub. Now what I want to do is I want to take that RSA pub file and I want to secure copy that over to my VM. So I'm going to copy the IP address of my VM and now I'm going to log into it. I'll put in the password and now that file should be copied over. Now we need to SSH into that same server. If I inspect my home directory, I should see that file be copied over. Next thing to do, I'm going to take that public key and I'm going to append it to my authorized keys on this machine. There are two settings I need to make sure are set inside of my SSH config. I need to make sure that pub key authentication is turned on and also RSA authentication. Next, I'm going to restart the SSH service. And that should be all we need. So if I exit this server, now I'm back in my Cloud Shell environment. If I SSH into the server, notice how I can log right in without having to put in a password.